The next example says solve the equation 14 equals ax plus 6 for x. Show and justify your steps. This problem has two variables, right? A and x. They are telling us to solve for x. So I want to get the term that has x in it by itself. So to undo, let's see, what are we doing? We are adding 6 to ax. To undo addition, we're going to do subtraction because the opposite of addition is subtraction. 14 minus 6 is 8. I'm going to bring down my equal sign and my ax. 6 minus 6 is 0. So this first step was using the subtraction property of equality. I still want to get x by itself. X is being multiplied by a. To undo multiplication, we need to use division. So I'm going to divide both sides by a. 8 divided by a. Well, I don't know what a is, so I can't simplify that any further. So that's just going to stay as 8 divided by a. On the right side of the equation, a divided by a is 1, so that leaves me with a 1x. So my answer is just x equals 8 divided by a. And you can leave your answer just like that. Let's look at these examples down here. It says solve. So I have y minus 2 equals, y minus 2 divided by 3 equals 7. The first thing that I want to do here is I want to get rid of this fraction. Because I know a lot of you guys don't like fractions. And that's okay. We can make them go away. I'm dividing by 3. The opposite of division is multiplication. So I'm going to begin by multiplying both sides by 3. Here our 3 divided by 3 cancels, and that leaves me with y minus 2. 7 times 3 is 21. I want to get y by itself. Right now, I'm subtracting 2 from y. To undo subtraction, I'm going to do addition. And so I'll have y. Negative 2 plus 2 is 0. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. 21 plus 2 is 23. So my answer is y equals 23. On example 6, you want to get your term with the variable by itself. So right now I am adding 8 to 1/4 x. The opposite of addition is subtraction. So I am going to subtract 8 on both sides. So I'm going to bring down my 1/4 x. 8 minus 8 is 0. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. 15 minus 8 is 7. I want to get x by itself. X is being multiplied by 1/4. So we can divide by 1/4. Or you could multiply by the reciprocal, 4/1. So if I multiply by the reciprocal, I would multiply by 4/1. Remember, a reciprocal is just when you flip your fraction. So I'm taking 1/4 and I'm flipping it to be 4/1. 1/4 times 4/1 is 1. So that just leaves me with 1x. 7 times 4/1 is 28. So my answer is 28. If you don't like multiplying by the reciprocal, that's fine. You could have divided by 1/4 and you would have gotten the same answer. The TI-84 calculators that we have in class can also do fractions for you. So I will show you a video walking you through how to do fractions as well. On example 7, I have like terms, 5x and 10x. So I'm going to need to combine these like terms to be able to solve. 5x plus 10x is 15x. So I have 15x is equal to 30. We want to get x by itself. X is being multiplied by 15. To undo multiplication, I'm going to do division. 15 divided by 15 is 1, so that leaves me with 1x. 30 divided by 15 is 2. So my answer is x equals 2. On example 8, I have x divided by 2 minus 9 equals negative 5. We want to get the term with the variable by itself. Right now, we are subtracting 9 from x divided by 2. To undo subtraction, I am going to do addition. So I'm going to add 9 to both sides. So we're going to bring down that x divided by 2. Negative 9 plus 9 is 0. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4. I want to get x by itself. X is being divided by 2. To undo division, I'm going to use multiplication. Here, 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that leaves me with 1x. 4 divided by 2 is 8. So my answer is x equals 8. On example 9, I have 2 times x minus 3 equals 26. The first thing that we want to do is we want to distribute that 2. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. We want to get the term with the variable by itself. Right now, we are subtracting 6 from 2x. What is the opposite of subtraction? Addition. So you're going to add 6 to both sides. And so I'll have 2x. Negative 6 plus 6 is 0. I'm going to bring down my equal sign. Negative 26 plus 6 is negative 20. I want to get x by itself. X is being multiplied by 2. To undo multiplication, I'm going to use division. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so that leaves me with 1x. And negative 20 divided by 2 is negative 10. So my answer is x equals negative 10. On example 10, we have x minus 5 minus 9x equals 3. The first thing that I want to do is I want to combine like terms. X minus 9x is negative 8x. And then I'll bring down my negative 5 and my 3. Now I want to get the term with the variable by itself. Right now, I'm subtracting 5 from negative 8x. To undo subtraction, I'm going to use addition. And I am going to add 5 to both sides. So I'll bring down my negative 8x. Negative 5 plus 5 is 0. Bring down my equal sign. 3 plus 5 is 8. I want to get x by itself. X is being multiplied by negative 8. To undo multiplication, I'll do division. Negative 8 divided by negative 8 is positive 1, so that leaves me with a positive 1x. 8 divided by negative 8 is negative 1. So my answer is x equals negative 1.